Energy System Integration. sHYp Limited. Hydrogen from seawater. To meet net zero targets, the UK requires a 10-fold increase in hydrogen production. Today, commercial electrolysers can only produce hydrogen from highly purified water. We need an electrolyser that makes this possible using seawater. One that can be combined with renewable energy sources, such as offshore wind, so that green hydrogen can be produced offshore and at onshore coastal locations. sHYp has developed a 3D printed membrane-free electrolyser. It produces green hydrogen direct from seawater without the need for energy-intensive desalination. 3D printing significantly reduces the unit's manufacturing costs, while being membrane-free significantly reduces operational costs. sHYp's technology also produces a range of valuable non-toxic co-products, which create additional revenue streams, and in turn reducing the cost of hydrogen. The system is automated, wireless-enabled, and ATEX certified. sHYp could revolutionize the economics of hydrogen production, reducing the production cost of green hydrogen by at least 50%, while producing valuable byproducts such as silica, which is estimated to be of over $13 billion market worth over the next decade, creating a competitive advantage in the £100 billion green hydrogen market by 2050, and opening huge export opportunities.